in strength a little bit, 105-mile-per-hour winds moving to the north at 12. As we go through time here, notice it does get very close to the Carolina coastline, to South Carolina, around Charleston. That looks like its closest point there, maybe up to Pawleys Island, Georgetown area there of South Carolina. Then moves right off Cape Fear there, and then hooks back around, and then, yeah, tries to come back at us, but probably will dissipate before making it down to the south. And notice now, this one, we're not in the cone anymore, and each run now has been like a little bit farther offshore. And even the trough up to the north could pick it up and pull it out to sea like it originally was supposed to do anyways. Our watches and warnings are gone now. Those are all up to the north, so good news for us here in South Florida. The weather should actually be clearing. We're going to get some drier air to filter in on that west wind, and then we're going to get some little bit less humid air to filter in on that north and northwest wind, or northeast wind that's going to come on in. We have Tropical Storm Nicole out here. It's going to go south also, but then it's going to move north here, and it could strengthen a little bit. Once Matthew gets out of the way, it'll allow this one to strengthen as it moves up towards Bermuda, but that one will not bother us at all either. Let's look at